Good morning, dear children. In the last class, we learned subtraction by counting backward. Then, yes, what? Doing on the number line. Then, we need a vertical subtraction, isn't it? In this class, we are going to do the word problems. Word problems means there will be a steps. Okay, there will be a sentence. It is known as story sums or step sums. Okay, word problem is also known as story sum or step sums. Okay, the sentence like this: there were 25 boys and 33 girls in the bus. Okay, so how many students are there in the school bus? Like this, you will be having the statement. This is an addition statement. Okay, so now we are going to do the addition word problems. Okay, the question is given like this: there were 25 boys and 33 girls in the school bus. How many students are there altogether? How many students are there altogether? Okay, like this the question will be there. So what you'll do? How many boys are there? First take boys equals 2. Boys equals 2. How many boys are there? Yes, 25 boys are there. Tens and ones. In ones place 5 and tens place 2. Okay. And how many girls are there? Next one, girls. Okay. Next one, girls equals to how many girls are there? Yes, 33. 3 tens and 3 ones. 33. All together, the question is given like this. All together. All together means plus sign. All together means plus sign. Okay. All together, how many students are there all together? So what we'll do? Yeah, we'll add the numbers in vertical wise. First, which place we should add? Yeah, ones place. Take ones place. What is the top number here? 5. What is the down number? 3. 5 in your mind? 3 fingers up. 5 after. 6, 7, 8. Yes. Here you got 8 in ones place. And the second number, place value is tens. 2 here in the top and down you got 3. 2 in your mind, 3 fingers up. 2 after. 3, 4, 5. How much? 2 plus 3, 5. So totally, how many students are there? Yeah, 58 students are there in the bus. Clear? So total students, number of students, answer 58. Answer is 58. Okay, 58 students. How many students are there? Totally 58 students are there. This is the way we must do the addition step sums or a word problem. Okay. So what you do? You must see the question answer here while you are bringing down the numbers. See boys, B-O-Y-S, boys, where it is here. So how many boys are there? 2, 5, 25. Yes, 25. G-I-R-L-S, girls. Where is the girls here? Yeah, here girls. How many girls are there? 33, 33. Bring that 33 number down. Then add together. This is the way we must do the addition word problem. Clear? Is it clear? Shall we do one more sum? Ready? Yes. Second question. There were, be sum. There were 50 pencils and 24 color pencils in a box. Okay, how many pencils there all together? This is a question. Okay, all together or total. The question is coming like this. How many pencils are there in total or all together in all? Same way, what is the meaning? Addition. All together means you must remember the addition sign. Okay. So, how many pencils are there? Normal pencil, ordinary pencils? Yes. Pencils. How many pencils are there? Yeah, 5, 0, 50. 5 tens and 0 ones. So 50. How many color pencils are there? Color pencils are there. Yes. How many color pencils are there? 2, 4, 24 color pencils are there, isn't it? Bring that number down. Then what we are going to do? Yeah, we are going to add this number, isn't it? So add it. If you add any number with 0, what will you get? Yes, we get the same number. 0 plus 4, 4. Then come to the first, always remember, add the right side first number. That means ones place first, okay? Then what is the next number? 5 in tens place. Top and down 2. 5 in your mind, 2 fingers up. 5 after. 6, 7. 74. So how many pencils are there? Answer 74 pencils. 74 pencils. This is the answer. Clear? So how many pencils are there? 74 pencils are there. Now we are going to do the one more sum in the addition. Okay? Shall we do? Ready? Yes? See some. Tom had 65 storybooks. Storybooks, okay? And his friend Tony had 34 storybooks. How many story books they had all together? How many storybooks they had all together? Two members, Tom and Tony. Okay, both are having storybooks. So together, how many books they are having? That is the question. Okay. So Tom has how many books? Yeah, Tom has how many books? 65. 6 tens and 5 ones. Okay. Then Tony had 34. 3, 4. 34 books. Together, so plus sign. Okay. Together, how many storybooks they had together, isn't it? First, which place? Yes, first ones place we will add. What is the top number? 5. 5 in your mind, 4 fingers up. 5 after. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9. Then come to the tens place. 6 in your mind, 3 fingers up. 6 after. 7, 8, 9. 99. Together how many books they are having? Yeah, together totally they are having 99 story books. Okay, 99 story books. So answer is 99. Totally they are having 99 story books. Clear? Next, we are going to do the word problem on subtraction. Okay, clear? Word problem on subtraction. Okay, shall we do this? Word problems on subtraction. In this word problem, we will have the question in the ending, how many left? How many are remaining? Like this, okay? In this addition, we will have all together, total, like that we will have. But in subtraction, we will have how many things are left over there, or remaining there, or balance. Like this, in the end of the statement, we will have. Okay, that is a subtraction. That means subtraction, remaining, left, or balance. Like this, if you are having the question, that statement is having like this, the sum is subtraction. Okay, remember that. Arun had 89 marbles. He lost 62 marbles. He lost 62 marbles. How many marbles were left with Arun? What is the question? Arun had 89 marbles. He lost 62 marbles. How many marbles were left with Arun? Left means what? Yes, subtraction. Left means subtraction. So, number of marbles. Number of marbles. How much? How many marbles he had? Yes, 89. Tens and ones, 8 tens and 9 ones. Then, how many marbles he lost? He lost? Yes, 62. Cancel 62. Okay? Take 9 fingers. Tens place you got 8 and 9. Ones place you got 9. First take the ones place. Take 9 fingers. Down, what is the number there? 2. Cut off to 1, 2. Balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 7. 9 minus 2, 7. What is the tens place number here? 8 in the top. So, take 8 fingers in your hands. From that, how many numbers you should cut off? 6. So, cut off 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Balance. Yes, 2. So, 27 marbles here. 8 minus 6, you got 2. So, marbles, remaining marbles? Yes. How many marbles are there? Remaining. Answer? Remaining 27 marbles. Remaining 27 marbles. Balance, we got 27 marbles. This is the way step sums you will do. Okay. In the subtraction of the how many were left with Arun? Left. Left means remember minus altogether. or total in all addition. Okay. We can do two more sums in the subtraction. Second question. Geeta had 95 rupees. She spent 40 rupees. How much money was left with her? That is the question. Okay. So total amount. How much money she got? Totally. Total rupees. How much she got? Yes. 95. How much rupees she spent? Yes. 40 rupees. 40 rupees. Okay. Balance. How much money was left with her? എത്ര രൂപയാണ് അവളുടെ കയ്യിലുള്ളത് അല്ലേ? So 95 minus 40. 5 minus 0. Yes, 5, same number, because there is no number in the down, so bring that number down if you are having 0 in the downwards. Okay, not in the top, down. Okay, 5 minus 0, 5. Then what is the next number? Tens place. 9. From 9 cancel 4. From 9 cancel 4. From 9 we are going to cancel 4. Okay. From 9 cancel 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balance. Yes, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 55 rupees she got in her hand now. She had how much rupees balance? Yes, she had 55 rupees, isn't it? Answer 55 rupees. She got 55 rupees balance. So she spent 40 rupees and balance she got 55 rupees because she had in the first she got total she had 95 rupees. She spent 40 rupees. Balance she got how much? Yes, 55 rupees. Clear? We can do one more sum. Okay. See sum. There were 75 pages in a book. If Aaron reads 35 pages, how many pages were left to read? Okay. The question is, there were 75 pages in a book. If Aaron reads 35 pages, how many pages were left to read? That is the question. Okay. So, total pages. How many pages are there? Total pages 75. Pages read. Aaron reads how many pages? 35 pages. Okay. Minus 35. Then pages left to read. How many pages are there to read? Cancel, isn't it? So 5 minus 5. Take 5. Cancel 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Balance. Nothing is there. 0. Okay. Then top 7. Take 7 fingers. From that cancel 3. 1, 2, 3. Balance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Balance 4. So totally how many pages are there? Yeah, 40 pages are left over there to read, isn't it? So answer is, how many pages are left over there? Yeah, 40 pages. Clear? Total pages 75. Pages reads 35. Pages left 40. So answer is 40. Okay. Read here. How many pages are there? 75 pages. Total number of pages in the book 75. How many pages Aaron read? Yes, 35. Okay. Then how many pages are left? Balance 40. So 40 is the answer. This is the way you must do the subtraction word sums. Okay. So now you know how to do the addition and subtraction in the word problem, isn't it? So, dear children, till this you are having the exam portions. Lesson 4, Lesson 5 and Lesson 6 are the second terminal exam portions. Read well and do the addition and subtraction in a book. Practice it and try to learn the shapes and also draw the shapes neatly. Okay, you must practice to draw the shapes and also do the sums. Okay, don't write the ones place number into tens place and tens place number to ones place. While picking down the numbers, be careful. Ones place number should be in the ones place and tens place number should be in the tens place. Otherwise, you will be getting 0. Okay, so all the best for your exams. Thank you.